Imagine sinking your teeth into a vibrant, exotic fruit, its fuchsia scales reminiscent of a dragon's armor. This, my friends, is the dragon fruit, a culinary gem hailing from the cacti family. With its unique appearance and refreshingly sweet flavor, the dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, has taken the culinary world by storm, but the dragon fruit is much more than just a pretty face. Beneath its striking exterior lies a treasure trove of nutrients that can significantly benefit our health. Its growing popularity speaks volumes about our increasing awareness of incorporating nutrient-rich foods into our diets. So let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of dragon fruit and discover why this exotic delight deserves a place on your plate. Prepare to be amazed by its nutritional prowess and culinary versatility. The dragon fruit is a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our bodies crave. This exotic fruit is low in calories and fat, making it an excellent choice for health-conscious individuals. One of the most notable nutrients in dragon fruit is vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that boosts our immune system and protects our cells from damage. This vibrant fruit is also a good source of B vitamins, essential for energy production and maintaining healthy nerve function. Furthermore, dragon fruit contains essential minerals like iron and magnesium. Iron is crucial for transporting oxygen throughout the body, while magnesium plays a vital role in muscle function and nerve transmission. And let's not forget the fiber content, which aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut. With its impressive nutritional profile, it's no wonder that dragon fruit is often hailed as a superfood. Regularly incorporating dragon fruit into your diet can lead to a myriad of health benefits. Thanks to its high fiber content, dragon fruit promotes healthy digestion by adding bulk to stool and preventing constipation. The prebiotic fiber in dragon fruit acts as food for the beneficial bacteria residing in our gut. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for nutrient absorption, immune function, and overall well-being. Dragon fruit's high vitamin C content strengthens the immune system, helping the body ward off infections and illnesses. Additionally, the antioxidants present in dragon fruit combat free radicals, protecting our cells from damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Some studies suggest that dragon fruit may also help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a potentially beneficial fruit for individuals with type 2 diabetes. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings. Its unique flavor profile, a delightful blend of sweetness and a subtle tanginess, makes dragon fruit incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Its mild flavor doesn't overpower other ingredients, making it an excellent addition to both sweet and savory dishes. One of the simplest ways to enjoy dragon fruit is to slice it in half and scoop out the flesh with a spoon. Its texture resembles that of a kiwi, with tiny black seeds that add a pleasant crunch. Dragon fruit truly shines in smoothies and smoothie bowls, adding a vibrant color and a boost of nutrition. Blend it with your favorite fruits, yogurt, and a splash of juice for a refreshing and healthy breakfast or snack. Its mild flavor also lends itself well to salads, salsas, and even desserts. Get creative in the kitchen and experiment with incorporating dragon fruit into your favorite recipes. Section 5, Origins and Cultivation. A story from the cacti. The dragon fruit's journey begins in the arid regions of Central America, where it thrives in the wild. Contrary to its exotic appearance, this fruit belongs to the cactus family, a testament to nature's ability to surprise us. European explorers, captivated by its unique appearance and flavor, introduced dragon fruit to Southeast Asia in the 19th century. Today, Vietnam is one of the world's largest producers of dragon fruit, with the fruit becoming an integral part of the local cuisine and culture. Dragon fruit cultivation is a fascinating process. The plants thrive in warm tropical climates and require well-drained soil. Unlike most fruit trees, dragon fruit cacti bear fruit on their stems, adding to their intriguing nature. The flowers, often referred to as moonflower or queen of the night, bloom only at night, releasing a heady fragrance that attracts pollinators. This nocturnal blooming ritual adds to the dragon fruit's allure and mystique. Section 6. Dragon fruit varieties, a rainbow of flavors. The world of dragon fruit extends beyond the familiar pink skin variety. A rainbow of colors and flavors awaits, each with its unique characteristics. The most common variety boasts vibrant pink skin with white flesh speckled with tiny black seeds. This variety is known for its sweet, delicate flavor and refreshing juiciness. Another popular variety features red skin and vibrant red flesh. This variety tends to be sweeter than its white-fleshed counterpart with a hint of berry-like flavor. For those seeking a more exotic experience, the yellow dragon fruit, with its spiky yellow skin and sweet, tangy flesh, is a must-try. Each variety offers a unique flavor profile, adding excitement to culinary creations. Section 7. Selecting and storing tips for the best experience. Choosing the perfect dragon fruit is key to enjoying its full flavor and texture. When selecting a dragon fruit, look for fruits that are firm to the touch and free from bruises or blemishes. The skin should be vibrant in color, indicating ripeness. Avoid fruits that are overly soft or have wrinkled skin, as these may be past their prime. Once you've selected your dragon fruit, store it at room temperature until ripe. A ripe dragon fruit will yield slightly to gentle pressure. Once ripe, you can store it in the refrigerator for a few days to extend its shelf life. To prevent the cut fruit from drying out, wrap it tightly in cling film or store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Now you're ready to enjoy this exotic delicacy at its best. Section 8. Dragon fruit, a sustainable choice. In an era of growing environmental consciousness, choosing foods that are both nutritious and sustainable is paramount. Dragon fruit, with its low water footprint and minimal environmental impact, emerges as a sustainable choice for the conscious consumer. The dragon fruit cactus is a hardy plant that requires minimal water to thrive, making it an ideal crop for arid and semi-arid regions. Its ability to grow in harsh conditions reduces the need for irrigation, conserving precious water resources. Furthermore, dragon fruit cultivation requires minimal pesticide and herbicide use, as the plants are naturally resistant to many pests and diseases. This reduces chemical runoff into the environment, protecting ecosystems and human health. By choosing dragon fruit, we support sustainable farming practices that prioritize environmental stewardship and responsible resource management. Section 9. Conclusion. Embrace the dragon fruit revolution. From its humble origins in Central America to its rise as a global culinary star, the dragon fruit has captivated taste buds and inspired healthy choices worldwide. Its unique appearance, refreshing flavor, and impressive nutritional profile make it a true gift from nature. Whether you enjoy it fresh, blended into smoothies, or incorporated into your favorite recipes, dragon fruit is a versatile and delicious way to add a touch of exoticism to your diet. Its high vitamin C content, prebiotic fiber, and potent antioxidants contribute to a healthy gut, a strong immune system, and overall well-being. So embrace the dragon fruit revolution and experience the delightful fusion of flavor and nutrition that this exotic fruit has to offer. Let it transport you to a tropical paradise with every bite, nourishing your body and tantalizing your taste buds. Dragon fruit is not just a fruit, it's a lifestyle choice, a commitment to a healthier